Hello, my name is Angela Ramasalori. I'm a patient at Dynamic presently. Couple months ago, I woke up with a really bad pain in my head. My blood pressure was crazy. I couldn't move my neck. It was devastated. I went to my doctor. He referred me to a neurologist. I really thought something horrible was happening. I did 2 MRI, one in my lower back, one in my head. Thank God the one in my head came back fine. The lower back shows that I have 2 bulging discs in my lower neck and one in my back. I couldn't move my head. I felt like my neck was holding my head hostage, literally. I felt really horrible. He gave me some medication. There wasn't much you can do other than surgery, but the doctor said it wasn't necessary because it wasn't as bad for surgery. He wanted to put me in really extensive medication that I didn't want to go down that route. So the only other alternative was to try gentle physical therapy, which he referred me to someone down the block from my house. I started and I went one visit and I felt really bad. I never went back, and then I did some research and look up different places and I found Dynamic. And the first day I came here, I met with Gino, who listened to all my concerns and exactly what Gino here. And she listened to everything of my concerns and what my doctor actually wanted from physical therapy to do gentle therapy to start with. And she heard everything I had to say and how I was feeling. And she started physical therapy on me that same day. And from that day till the present day, I've been seeing her. I literally could say that I get my life back because there were simple things I couldn't do. Brush my hair, wake up on mornings and just do my daily activities, and I wasn't able to do that. I was in so much pain. And after, she's been doing physical therapy with me, I got my life back, and I'm so grateful for that. And her staff, Pinky, who's always been very nice and kind to me. And I feel doing physical therapy with someone, it's a personal thing to me. You have to have that personal connection and that level of comfort with the people that, really putting their hands on you and making you feel that level of comfort. Very professional, but yet, you feel comfortable. And that's what I felt here, like family. Everyone is very kind. And Gino is amazing. She really helped me. I feel, since she started physical therapy on me, I got my life back, and I'm so grateful for that. I always joke with her and said she has the healing hands. It's amazing, and I just want to thank everyone at Dynamic for all that they have done, giving me my life back. And I will definitely recommend Dynamic to anyone in my position, and hopefully my testimony would help someone else.